It's pretty bad, this A-post area. They've had a lot of repairs and they hacked a lot of the old stuff out and then welded over some of the rust as well. So it's been, you know, proper butchered. So you can see this weld here. I mean, the weld's strong and it's heavy, but you know, it's not nice, it's not pretty. So I've cut that out to enable to see what's going on. Obviously that lower needs doing. There's peppered in here, so I'm gonna have to build the end of the sill up. There's this, you know, this floor corner and things like that. This tub is very bad. So there's a lot going on in here. But what was worse still was on the outside edge of it, where this trunking fits, you see, because this is the air trunking. I don't know if you remember how to make them. We'll have a look at that in a minute. But before we do that, let's look at this area itself. So I've got to make a new one of them. And I've got a pattern. That's off of another job that we had to make them on in the past. So that's a nice pattern that I can use. You can see how that will sort of fit up in there like that. That's what it's going to do. And there's a new one. So there you are, we made one. So you get the idea. Sort of got to go up in there a bit like that. So that was sorted out. Do you want to see how we made it? Well, we'll have a look at that now, shall we?